Hi, this is Professor Muldrow, and I'm going to show you how to record the running of an Android Studio app. And it's the video file that you will turn in. The file has a web movie extension, WEBM extension on it. Okay, I have a project here that I have already built. To build the project, you click on the hammer icon, or Make Project. To run it, then you click the green play button, which is right here. Now this process will take a few minutes, so you need to be patient with Android Studio. I'm going to click the play button now. Okay. When you click the play button, this window comes up asking you to pick what device you want to run this in. I always select Nexus 5 API 25, this one that is highlighted. If you don't see anything listed here, you have to click on the Create New Virtual Device button to add something in here. I will go into that a little bit later. But for right now, that is my device. I will click OK. And now, as you can see down here, it's preparing the app to be run. But now we have to wait. Now it looks like it's running right now, but it's not. Always look at the bottom middle to see what's happening. Well, now my app is running, so this is waiting for me to input. But before I do that, to record it, what you do is here on the simulator you have this gray column of extra things to select. Click on the three dots at the bottom. And this extended controls menu appears. What you want to have here, or to select here, is record and playback. This is what records you executing your app. So when you click record and playback, all you see is one button that says start recording. So let's click it. And you'll see it's now recording. So I'll say here in my app, I'll click back in here, and I say I want 5 tickets for the Life Revealed group. Now find the cost. And as you can see, cost for Life Revealed is $399.95. Let's change the group to Spatial Sense, still 5 tickets. Same cost, but now Spatial Sense is in the output. And finally, we'll pick Zigzag and find the cost, and Zigzag is displayed in the output. Those are all the possible outputs for this particular app. So whenever you finish a 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star project, this is what I want you to do to hand in. You are going to record you running this app. Now once you're done recording, you come back here in the extended controls window and you click Stop Recording. And eventually it stops the recording. You can play it back by clicking this play button here. And as you will see, this will play back what you did. There I am entering a 5. And then I click the Find the Cost button. Okay, I'll stop that recording. But more importantly, you want to save this to a file. So once you're done recording, you want to click on this Save button right here, which I will do right now. And it asks you to save the recording. I'm going to save it on my desktop. This involves tickets, so I'm just going to give it any kind of name, and I will call it Tickets. Notice the type saved is multimedia. It's a .webm, web movie file, is what it's being saved as by default. I will click Save. And right down here on my desktop, as you can see, here's the Tickets file. All right, I'm just going to bring this up. Double-click on this file. And as you'll notice, here is my Windows Media Player, and here is my recording. So what I want you to do when you do a 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star project, or your final project, when it is working, I want you to record you executing your app like you just saw. And then I want you to submit the .webm, the .web movie file, in Canvas. All right? That's exactly what I want you to do. If you have any questions, please send me an email at kmuldrow@lbcc.edu.